We are pleased to show you the 2013 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.